Stop by and take a look at the 2006 Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior, a powerful V6 option, and excellent off-road capability, and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: front suspension type, double wishbones, braking assist, child safety locks, power door locks, power windows, child seat anchors, power steering, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation. Come see the car for yourself.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.